Step 1. Clean the walls. Spray an all-purpose cleaner, then wipe with a microfiber cloth to lift hair and residue. For any buildup, use a degreaser to cut through grime. When working around electrical components, spray your microfiber towel with cleaner and carefully wipe the area. Never apply the solution directly to the components. Step 2. Apply anti-static spray. After the surface is clean and dry, lightly mist the walls to reduce static and keep hair from sticking. This creates a light, slick surface that helps keep hair from sticking to the walls. When working around electrical components, spray your microfiber towel with cleaner and carefully wipe the area. Never apply the solution directly to the components. Make sure to use a clean, fresh microfiber towel for best results. Stay consistent. How often you repeat this process will depend on usage, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This makes cleanup faster and easier by preventing anything from sticking to the walls.